Imagine a world without zero. Unbelievably, such a world did exist once. This essential numeric figure, though now considered a fundamental element of arithmetic and mathematics, was not always around. Today, we delve deep into the intriguing saga of zero, tracing its journey from birth to its indispensable role in the present day. Our tale begins with the ancient cultures of the Babylonians, Mayans, and Indians, who discovered the use of zero independently. These societies each had unique ways to denote the lack of quantity. Yet they wrestled with the abstract concept of nothingness, an empty space, which presented immense symbolic and cognitive challenges. The concept of zero was a mathematical enigma, a puzzle that our ancestors were determined to solve. It was a tangible representation of an abstract idea, something that was there yet not there. The journey of zero, from being merely a placeholder to becoming a symbol of nothingness and enabling calculations that shaped the course of human history, is a testament to the intellectual progress of mankind. Each civilization had its own unique representation of the absence of quantity. They grappled with the concept of nothingness, a void, which was both difficult to symbolize and even harder to comprehend. It's important to understand the role zero played in the development of various mathematical theories and calculations that have significantly influenced science, technology, astronomy, and the journey of zero's conception as we understand it today began in the culturally rich lands of India. This glorious chronicle unfolded during the golden age of Indian mathematics, a time synonymous with a thriving cultural, scientific, and mathematical explosion. This epoch was marked by a tremendous intellectual bloom which saw the exploration of various mathematical concepts, kindled by an unquenchable spirit of inquiry and discovery. In this illustrious roster of scholars, the Indian mathematician Brahmagupta holds a special place. He was not only a mathematician but also an esteemed astronomer of his era. Brahmagupta played a cardinal role in shaping the mathematical concepts that are the bedrock of our modern numerical systems. His far-sighted contributions include the introduction of the concept of shunya, or zero, as we call it in English. This groundbreaking discovery heralded a seismic shift in the domain of mathematical science. It was Brahmagupta's vision that paved the way for the evolution of calculus and other intricate mathematical concepts. He elucidated how zero could be implemented in calculations, thereby unlocking an infinite expanse of opportunities for mathematical advancement. However, the invention of zero was not an isolated incident. It was part and parcel of a larger mathematical revolution that was underway in India. The decimal system, another groundbreaking Indian invention, served as the underpinning for the concept of zero. This innovative decimal system brought forth a place value system where zero was not merely a symbol, but a crucial element. The establishment of this place value system marked a considerable leap in abstract mathematical thinking, transforming the manner in which calculations were carried out. Aside from zero, India made other significant mathematical contributions that significantly impacted the world, such as the development of the decimal and place value system. But notably, the concept of zero also had a profound influence on the fields of computer science and digital technology, underscoring its integral role in the evolution of humanity's technological advancements. The story of zero, hence, is not just about a mathematical symbol, but also about the profound progression of human thought and understanding. Blossoming from the very soul of India, the theory of zero embarked its venture into the grand Islamic world during their golden age, a time flush with intellectual evolution and wide-reaching enlightenment. This era was marked by a considerable surge in cultural and scientific advancements, propelled by a scholarly curiosity that sought to probe and comprehend the mysteries of the universe. An enlightening fact to note here is that this concept of zero was initially documented in the ancient Indian text, the Rig Veda, dating back to 5,000 years ago, demonstrating the long and rich history of this simple yet profound number. Central to this quest for knowledge was the translation movement. This movement was not merely a process of linguistic conversion. It was a monumental endeavor that meticulously preserved and methodically advanced mathematical knowledge. This massive intellectual movement encapsulated numerous concepts, one of them being the profound idea of zero, a concept that would go on to revolutionize the mathematical world for centuries to come. Among the scholars and intellectuals of the time, mathematician Al-Khwarizmi stood out. His groundbreaking work elevated the understanding this unassuming numeral, zero, to unprecedented heights. It's important to point out that Al-Khwarizmi's book, Hisab al-Jabr wal-Muqabala, introduced the fundamental algebraic methods and the concept of solving quadratic equations using zeros. His contributions extended beyond merely understanding and explaining zero, but also played a pivotal role in the development of algebra. His works have left an indelible mark on the world, contributing significantly to algebra, a subject that even today lies at the heart of modern mathematics and technology. However, the journey of zero was not without its roadblocks. In the annals of mathematical history, the acceptance of the digit zero had always been a contentious journey, particularly in Europe. This fascinating journey, marked by hesitation, resistance, and reveals the profound impact that cultural and philosophical differences can have on the acceptance of mathematical concepts. For many, zero was seen as a paradoxical concept that threatened to upend the established mathematical order. Europe in particular seemed to be gripped by a sense of hesitation and resistance towards accepting zero as a valid and useful mathematical digit. This resistance was not just about a number, but also a clash of ideas and beliefs. It was a resistance, a concept that was alien to the established mathematical norms and conventions. This resistance, however, was not destined to last. It's crucial to note that zero was widely accepted and used in ancient civilizations like India and Maya. In India, the concept of zero and its integration into the place value system also allowed for the note of large numbers and complex calculations, thus propelling mathematical and scientific discoveries. In the Mayan numeral system, zero was used as a placeholder and was represented by a shell glyph. In this grueling battle for acceptance, a hero emerged in the form of Fibonacci, an Italian mathematician. Not only did Fibonacci understand the significance of zero, but he also had the fortitude to champion its cause in a time of great resistance. His book, Liber Abaci, was instrumental in this regard. It was Fibonacci, an Italian mathematician, who played a significant role in introducing zero to Europe through his book Liber Abaci. The use of zero in mathematics also laid the foundation for calculus, a branch of mathematics that underlies most modern technologies. Zero, not just a simple concept, but an evolutionary marvel, has undertaken a transformative journey from being a humble placeholder to a number bearing its own unique mathematical properties. This transformative journey of zero is nothing short of an intriguing narrative of mathematical evolution, eloquently symbolizing how even the simplest of concepts can unfurl into complex, fundamental tools that have shaped the very foundation of human understanding. In contrast to its Greek and Roman predecessors, which lacked a symbol for zero, the ancient Indian civilization recognized its utility and incorporated it into their numeral system. This was a critical leap in the realm of mathematics, as it led to the development of the decimal system. The ancient Indian mathematician Aryabhata, in the 5th century, was one of the first to use zero as a number in its own right. From its initial purpose as just a placeholder in the numeral system, zero transformed into an active participant in mathematical operations. Its incorporation facilitated the development of arithmetic operations and complex mathematical equations, thereby simplifying calculations and increasing efficiency. It became crucial in the development of algebra, calculus, and other key mathematical disciplines. The advent of zero brought about a paradigm shift in the mathematical landscape. It made calculations not only more straightforward, but also more efficient. This revolution, brought about by zero, has influenced countless fields, from physics and engineering to computer science and economics. It has played a fundamental role in the development of computer programming languages and digital systems. In conclusion, zero, through its evolution from a placeholder to its own mathematical entity, has truly revolutionized arithmetic operations and mathematical equations, making calculations more straightforward and efficient. This simple numeral has been pivotal in shaping the world as we know it today, from scientific advancements to technological breakthroughs. The invention of zero was a game changer. This seminal discovery originated from ancient India, morphing from a placeholder to a mathematical entity in its own right. The concept of zero was first developed by the ancient Indian mathematicians around the 5th century AD. They conceived it as a symbol of nirvana, a state of emptiness and void, introducing it into their number system. It became the cornerstone of the numeral system, a fundamental concept that radically transformed the way we deal with numbers. Its importance isn't confined to just mathematics. It played a significant role in ushering in the scientific revolution, serving as a launchpad for groundbreaking theories and concepts. In the realm of physics, zero represents the absence of a quantity or a magnitude. It is a prerequisite in the laws of motion and in the study of matter. Moreover, in the field of thermodynamics, zero embodies the concept of absolute zero, a state at which a system has the lowest possible energy. This seemingly simple yet profound concept paved the way for countless technological advancements, drastically altering the course of human civilization. It became the backbone of modern computational algorithms, integral to binary coding, the language of computers. The binary number system, which forms the basis for all digital computations, relies on the use of 0 and 1. Today, zero is indispensable in modern technology, computer science, and various other fields, with its influence permeating every aspect of our lives. In the realm of computer programming, zero often denotes the off state in binary code, and it is also the starting point for array indices in many programming languages. Crowning our discourse, the voyage of zero, the symbol we often take for granted, is a robust demonstration of human inventiveness. It's not merely a chronicle, but a splendid embodiment of human advancement and our ceaseless quest for understanding the world. It's an epic that commences with the ancient civilizations, the Babylonians, Mayans, and Indians, who were initially baffled by the idea of a vacuum, a non-entity. Confounded yet intrigued, they wrestled with this abstract notion, this idea of void, and eventually conceptualized what we now know as zero. This groundbreaking journey continued to evolve as these civilizations bequeathed this concept to their successors, fostering a legacy that would transcend time. As the wheel of centuries kept turning, this enigmatic symbol found its rightful throne in the kingdom of mathematics. Pioneering mathematicians of various epochs like Brahmagupta, Al-Khwarizmi, and Leonardo Fibonacci, an indispensable part in its progression. They recognized the strength nestled within this ostensibly straightforward concept and ingeniously metamorphosed it into a cardinal mathematical instrument. They seamlessly interlaced it into the tapestry of their formulas, making it more than just an emblem, transforming it into a symbol of boundless potential. Its legacy perseveres even today, as we employ zero in innumerable ways, often without acknowledging the profound history behind its inception. The ancient Mesopotamians used a placeholder 0 to signify nothing in their sexagesimal base 60 number system around 3 BC. The Mayans developed it independently circa 4 AD. It made its way to Europe through the mathematicians, hence the term Arabic numerals. And it was in India that 0 received a number status and negative numbers were recognized. The tale of zero is undeniably captivating, a magnificent testament to the evolutionary trajectory of human thought. Remember, the concept of zero, which we often take for granted, was not always a given. But what is zero, really? In the simplest of terms, it's the absence of quantity, the representation of nothing. But in reality, zero is so much more. It's a placeholder, a symbol of emptiness that allows us to distinguish between 10 and 1, 110. It's an essential cog in the wheel of our numerical system that affords us the ability to perform complex calculations and communicate quantities on a grand scale. The introduction of zero into our numerical lexicon was no small feat. Historically, it was the ancient mathematicians in India and the Mayan civilization who were among the first to use zero as a mathematical concept. It required great minds, deep contemplation, and significant leaps in understanding. This seemingly insignificant digit has far-reaching implications, impacting fields from mathematics to computer science, physics to engineering. It's used to signify the absence of a value, to denote a starting point, and to represent negative values. The creation of zero has been hailed as one of the greatest intellectual achievements of humanity, marking a turning point in our philosophical as well as mathematical thinking. Its invention was not only a monumental achievement that revolutionized mathematics and science, it also paved the way for the development of algebra and calculus. It even forms the backbone of binary code that drives our modern digital world. It is indeed a testament to human ingenuity and the ceaseless pursuit of knowledge, and its influence continues to resonate in virtually every aspect of our lives. As we conclude, we invite you to delve deeper into the rich tapestry that is the history of mathematics. Mathematics, the universal language, has a history as vast as humanity itself. It embraces a realm that goes beyond mere numbers and equations. At the core of this fascinating subject stands an intriguing character, enigmatic and profound: the number zero. Zero, a concept so simple yet so complex, has a story that is as captivating as it is mysterious. It has journeyed through civilizations and epochs, shaping our understanding of the universe and our place in it. Originating from the Sumerians in ancient Mesopotamia around 5,000 years ago, and later adopted by the Mayans and Indians, zero emerged from nothingness, was molded by great minds, and has become a cornerstone of our modern world. Bringing together philosophy, culture, and science, the Odyssey of Zero is a testament to human ingenuity. It's interesting to note that zero was not only a mathematical concept, but also held a spiritual significance in some cultures, symbolizing a state of emptiness and enlightenment. We encourage you to explore this mesmerizing narrative further. We are intrigued to know your perspectives on this journey of zero. We welcome you to engage in this enlightening discourse. Share your thoughts, your insights, or any additional information you might have gathered. The tale of zero is an absorbing journey that beckons the curious mind. Did you know that the symbol of zero was introduced to the Western world in the 12th century by the Italian mathematician Fibonacci? As we continue to explore the frontiers of knowledge, let's take a moment to appreciate the profound influence of this humble numeral. Let's marvel at the beauty of zero, the symbol of nothing that means so much. Share your thoughts, comments, or any additional information you may have. Thank you for accompanying us on this cosmic journey, a journey that guides us through the enormous breadth of astronomical knowledge and comprehension. As we embark together on this celestial exploration, we also express our deepest gratitude for your precious presence. Your involvement and curiosity are the sustaining force that propels this educational voyage into the cosmos. Our primary objective is to satiate your craving for astronomical knowledge, to delve into intriguing subjects such as black holes, galaxies, and the Big Bang, that capture your interest and stimulate your thoughts. We work diligently to ensure that every piece of content we produce is not only informative, but also engaging and thought-provoking. We strive to challenge your viewpoints, widening your outlook and sparking your intellectual curiosity. Each topic we explore attests to our dedication to offering significant and impactful astronomical content. From the enigmas of the universe's birth to the complexities of the latest space exploration missions, each episode aims to reveal a new realm of understanding for our audience. We hope that through our content, you discover an inspirational spark, a nugget of wisdom, or a moment of insight that propels you in your own lifelong learning journey. In this mission, we rely on your support. Commitment to this pursuit of astronomical knowledge is a mutual endeavor. By not only subscribing to our channel, but also liking our videos and connecting with us on our social media platforms, you validate our efforts and contribute to the growth and dissemination of this knowledge quest. If you haven't done so already, We encourage you to hit the subscribe button and join our community of space enthusiasts. Our joint journey does not terminate here. We are constantly on the hunt for new and thrilling astronomical topics to dissect. We eagerly await our upcoming space adventures and the abundance of knowledge we will unearth together. Until our next rendezvous, keep exploring the cosmos.